Alright guys, you guys are about to watch a vlog style camera samples of the Moto G8 Plus. I took this out on a day trip with me and my girl. Just want to give you guys some samples to see if this phone or this device is good for you, and if it's good enough to take on a vacation where you're able to catch some memorable moments with this phone. Keep in mind that when recording video, I did notice something. You can hear it throughout the vlogging video that the audio starts to echo at times, and at first I thought it was due to the transferring from the phone to the computer, but I noticed that it did the exact same thing while playing back those files on the phone itself. So there's probably something going on with processing audio while recording video with his phone. I don't know if it's the speakers, the mic, or whatever it is. Note that it does have that issue that will be reported to Motorola. Hopefully they can fix that with a update. Currently right now I am recording on the Moto G8 Plus. Front facing camera. I do have a Rode microphone connected to the phone itself to prevent that from happening, and hopefully it solves that issue. Again, hope you guys enjoy the video. It's my first time doing any type of vlogs. Let me know if you guys like that type of video, like that type of delivery when providing picture samples, video samples in a vlog style format. Let me know down in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So this is the front facing camera for the Moto G8 Plus 1080p. We're going to take a little trip to the coast. I'm going to take this phone with me, capture some pictures so you guys can see what this phone is capable of. Again, front facing camera, that 25 megapixel. Let me know how I sound, let me know how I look. Let's go. The Pismo Beach, and it's kind of fucked up over here, man. Doing a lot of construction. I didn't really realize, but hopefully when it's done, it's not too bad. I'll give you guys a peek of what they're doing. Check that out. That's the view from my hotel. Not the greatest. Definitely not the worst. I guess they're doing some revamping here. Didn't realize it. Would have been nice if they would have let me know, but they didn't. So it is what it is. Alright, so I'm gonna go grab some food and eat because I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Monique's hungry and she's over there. So let's go eat. What are you gonna get? Mo. What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? Looks like that's the winner right there. Fry tip sandwich. So just ordered my food. Monique is playing on her phone.
Because you're on your phone.
This is what you have to do when you're a super famous YouTuber like myself.
Okay.
Anyways, No portrait mode on the front-facing camera for the Moto G8 Plus. The one on the rear seems alright. Took a picture of Monique. If you look right at the edges, you can see where it missed a couple spots. But for a $200 phone, what can you expect? It is what it is. So we're just waiting on the food to get here and grub.
I wonder.
Thank you.
I thought they were I thought I said grow. Did I say?
I tore that shit up.
Not really.
That shit was delicious. I'm not really eating carbs, so I left a lot of the fries, but I ate the bread because I couldn't resist. So good. You done? You satisfied?
I'm done.
Let's dip without pain. Come on, let's go. Almost got attacked by seagulls. Oh, look at that dude. On the pier. Let's see what's up. Let's go see what the excitement's all about over here. Oh, they're drilling. Oh, they're drilling. They're pouring cement. Oh, they're gonna pour cement. Let's roll.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
It's cold out here. It's windy and cold. She don't want to be out here no more. We're going home.
We're not going.
We going home. Look at this star. Bam! It's my first time vlogging. I don't know what I'm doing. She thinks I'm crazy. She won't be crazy once I'm famous though. Look at all these fucking pigeons.
I know there's.
Look at that, somebody dragged somebody. It looks like somebody dragged a body or some shit up and dumped it up out in the ocean. Who drags bodies and dumps them in the ocean? Who the fuck they think they are? The fucking mob? I'm the fucking mob. The Gadget Beard mob. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe if you haven't. I don't know, man. So if you had this phone, would you be satisfied with this video quality? This is 4K. I have been switching off between 4K and 1080p, but would you be satisfied with this video quality for $199? Far as I can tell from the screen itself, it looks good, just a little shaky, doesn't have image stabilization, but this is the regular type of video. Then I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro mode a little bit, and that one will be a 1080 60 frames per second because it does not let you do 4K in the action cam mode.
Take me to your heart.
We have to solve a mystery. kill this bird. Just dumped him in this field of whatever it is. I just seen a bumblebee. Let's dip. Bumblebee, let's dip. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Snoring is out. Don't be suspicious. Be suspicious.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul. Take me to your soul.
Over there, some low light video from the front facing camera. We're about to go to dinner. Did a little bit of shopping out over here. Let me know how this camera looks. It's getting dark. Not too much light out here. It's gonna look good, huh, Mo?
Very good.
You excited for dinner?
I am ready.
I'm ready to eat too. Jockos, here we come. We're back on that 4K. Give you a little bit of low light. Let me know how it looks. Probably sound the same. We're out here doing a little bit of shopping before we go get some dinner at Jocko's. People are probably thinking I'm crazy talking to myself. All right, let's dip. Let me go in here and get her, and then we can dip. I see her. I see myself. We're gonna be late, Mo. She's mad. Why are you mad?
I'm not. I found something.
Oh. What'd you buy?
Dress for your ass.
A dress for my ass. I don't wear dresses.
Hold on. Buy a dress for this girl.
You're practically fine. You don't have to buy a dress just to wear it for me. You can just wear a t-shirt and some shorts and I'll be cool. You know that, right? We made it to Jocko's. And we're about to be seated. Are you excited, Mo? Excited to sink my teeth into some steak. Let's do this. at the movies. We're gonna go see what?
Harley Quinn.
Birds of Prey. We had steak at Jocko's, and oh my god, best steak I've had in my life. And I am so full that I think I'm gonna explode. How about you? Her face says it all. I think she's pregnant with another baby. Oh my god. Anyways, we're inside the movie theater. That's why it looks orange. I can't talk anymore. It's dark in this motherfucker. This is how the front camera does in low light. You can't see us. We rented out a movie theater for just ourselves. Oh yeah. Okay guys, it's time for us to head out. We're packing up, we're going home. I used the Moto G8 Plus camera throughout this whole trip, one day. But I try to use every aspect of this camera as much as I could, every feature as much as I could, and I try to use it in any kind of lighting condition as much as I could, just to give you guys a look at what this camera can produce for you guys, to help you guys make a better buying decision, to see if this phone is good enough for you guys at $199. Thanks for watching, guys. If I miss anything from the camera, any type of feature or anything like this, I have 4K recording on there. I have the action cam recordings. I got slow motions, hopefully. I did all kinds of sorts of things. If I miss anything, let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.